Good afternoon, everyone. I will be discussing about the South and Western and Oriental Wisdom. Psychologists have found that a person's cultural background can affect how a person sees himself or herself. So, there is a Southwestern and Oriental Western that dili na pabasa na kailangan na background sa isang kultura o ang background sa isang kultura sa isang tao. So, according to Lao Tzu, hindi siya, watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. So, kung nasa lang mo yung masuntin ng mga actions, kung iyong kumama yung actions, hindi mo na yung habits. Kapag sige mo kagbuhat, eh, muna mo na yung mga andan. So, habits yun. So, kung sa yung mga habit, muna po na yung mga character. And which is your character, hindi mo na yung destiny. So, there are four researchers in the field of cultural psychology, which is Crespi, Kitayama, Marcos, and Smith in 1998, reported that people are shaped by their culture and their culture is also shaped by them. So, according nilang patingan si ngayon ko, ang tao nabuo tungkol sa usa ka kultura, ug ang kultura nabuo pinaagi sa usa ka tao. So, one of the major proponents of cultural psychology, which is Richard Shulgin, wrote cultural traditions and social practice regulates, express, and transform the human psyche, resulting less in unity for humankind than in ethic divergences in mind, self, and emotion in 1991. An individual then feels and behaves similarly as that of the members of his or her community. Ug ang ilang mga kultura yung mo pinagi sa mga tao. Then, si Richard Schroeder, iyang giswat ang mga tradisyon ng mga gawin sa usa ka tao kanang mga ilang mga naandan, ilang mga kultura. Muna daw kung mamales na pamuna sa usa ka tao. So, however, each community has its own standards, expectations, and rules that shape its members. These differences are the reason people are markedly divergent. This divergence is evident in the Eastern and Western concepts of self. So, bisan pa daw kung ilang mga standards, expectations, ilang mga rules sa ilang taga-members o sa ilang community, tungod daw ni anak mo daw kung naghinungdan kung ano daw kung ang mga tao na lahi-lahi mga standards na lahi na patakaran. So, kung ang ilang daw kung ng kultura na ilang ginagawa. So, next is the Western and concept of self, which is discussed by Ms. Charlene Jalam.
Good afternoon, everyone. This report is continuation, the South in Western and Oriental Eastern thought. Ancient Greek philosophers see humans as the bearers of irreplaceable values. In medieval times, the philosophers and St. Thomas Aquinas believed that the body constitutes individuality. The individual was the focus of Renaissance thought with the René Descartes. I think therefore I am as the epitome of the Western idea of self. So, ang mga sinaunang Griego, ang mga philosopher, ang ilang pagtanaw sa mga tao as humans, as bearers. So, when you say bearers, they are holding or supporting that are the values that never change or replace. So, silbi, kita mga tao na tayo mga important din nga values na ipangkutan dyan ba? Then, so, ang ilawas, muna siya yung kanang kuan, naglarawan sa atong pagkatao. Then, ang kasatag sa manato, mo siya naging sentro sa famous thought with René Descartes, I think therefore I am, sabi nga sa gisag or epitome of the Western concept or idea of self. The Western tradition is generally acknowledged to be imbued with a style of thinking based on dichotomy and binary opposition by Carl Janet 2000, Singhal 2000. So, ang Western tradition is karaniwang ginila or kinilala as timaan dichotomy is a division into two parts, okay? Into two parts that are completely opposite and cannot coexist. For example, dichotomy of good and evil, while the binary opposition is a pair or related concept that define opposition to each other. Binary opposition of female and male, nature and cultures. Then, there is an essential distinction between the notion of thinking subject and observer that stands in natural opposition to observable realities in how 2000. So, naaya na ako sa mga importante sa pagbalangin between sa kanang pagtuo or paniwala sa mga thinking subjects or topics. So, kani siya ang mga observers, kita as observers or viewers, sabing we are stand arrayed in a native opposition para maobserbaran gani ang kanang kamatuoran or to observable the reality. So, the psychiatrist and professor from Johnson outlined four categories on how the term self is used in contemporary discussions. So, psychiatrist and professor nga si kanang Frank Johnson naglatag siya kanang upat nga kategory kung saan na to pagamit ang term na self in a conversation or discussions. First is analytical, second is monotheistic, third is individualistic, four is materialistic or rationalistic. So, by analytic, Johnson means the tendency to see reality as an aggregate of parts. The self is an observer, separate and distinct from external objects. Me versus others. So, kita sabing as a viewers or observers, para makita dyan nato ang kanang kamatukuran, dapat natin ipag-usahon gani or i-aggregate ang mga atong nakalap na mga information or mga atong na-obserbaran. Para makita nato ang kamatukuran, dapat nato siyang tigumon or i-aggregate. Then, monotheism, according to Johnson, involved the tendency toward unitary explanation of phenomena and a closed system view of oneself as model as the unitary omnipotent power. Man was created by God in His image. So, monotheism means a belief, doctrines, or a belief that there is only one God. So, so kita silbing ginarawan pud ta or gihimo ta base ra pud sa hulagway sa Ginoo. Means that man was created by God in His image. Kung sa iya ka ng larawan, so nilikha tayo sa larawan ng Diyos. That's mean. Next, third is individualistic or individualismo. So kita natay ka ng nagkadali ang pamaagi or napitay ka ng atong kaugalingong ka ng mga actions kung unsa na to pag-ilas atong kaugalingon kung unsay mga kanang tinuod nga kalipay nga kanang genuine happiness gani para sa atong kaugalingon. So self-actualization and self-expressions that is what we in individualistic natay atong kaugalingong pamaagi para atong mailatong kaugalingon o para atong makita ang tinuod nga kalipay or success. The fourth is materialistic and rationalistic. So this means that ang kanlurang pag-iisip ay may tendency na maliitin ang paliwanag na hindi gumagamit ng mga didaktibo or analitikong didaktibong paraan. Means that in a materialistic a person based on the reasons and knowledge rather than the religious belief and emotional response. So that's